So here you can see that the Eclipse Ide is open right now, right? So now we have to create the first Java program, right? So first we have already here some options for creating a Java project, and simply import the existing Java project from your system. And Jerisa, you can also create a new Java project over here. Click on a file menu, click on the new, and then click on a Java project, right? So you could simply create the Java project. So now first click on give the name of the Java project. So here I have given the name of a Java practice, right? And just simply click on the finish button. So here it will prompt to the new module. So I don't want to create this module. So now you can see that the Java project related libraries and all the information have been created over here, right? So here we first need to create the packages, right? As guys, you know, a package in a Java is used to, you know, group a related classes, right? So I just simply click on the Java practice project. I will create the packages, right? So I will grab a name introduction. It will not allow us to space between the name Java, right? So I have given the name to introduction as a Java, right? Just simply click on finish. So right now you can see that, guys, there is a package that we have created right now. A package is nothing but I have already told you that it's a group related classes. Just think of it, it's a folder in your file directory, right? Where we use the packages to avoid the name conflicts, right? And to write a better maintainable code, packages are divided into two categories. So one is it's a built-in package, and second one is a user-defined package, right? So we will discuss these things in later on, right? The first we can use a user-defined packages. So the user-defined packages is like to create your own package. You need to understand that the Java uses a file system directory to store them, right? Just like folders on your system, right? Where you have a number of folders in your folder, right? To differentiate your file and to keep a separate files from the different, right? To avoid the conflict, these things. So now I just simply create a new class. A class is nothing but the test cases, right? A test cases, right? Where you can see that create the project, where you can see that the class is equal to test cases, right? There are the number of test cases, and packages is like a suits, right? For the number of suits, you have a number of for the single single suit you will have a number of test cases, right? So here I am going to create a new one class that means a one test class, right? So I can simply test first. I will create first Java, right? So simply public static void main. So guys, here we can see that we have created a new class, which is there is a template over here. This is the first of a Java program, right? Then where we have created, right? So here before you go to the Selenium code, first you should aware about the Java things, right? That's the reason why I have started Java basic core Java, right? So you will directly understand, and you will directly create. You will not be facing any problem when you create a Selenium script, right? So the Selenium, so make sure that Selenium code you should aware about core Java, right? Then you can directly, otherwise you will not understand the script directly, right? So you should have some Java code knowledge in order to create Selenium script, right? So here I will create so here you can see that there is system.out.println, right? So I will simply create, this is my first Java program, or maybe you can say this was Java project, right? So here there is a some toggle button, there is some buttons over here. So 3 buttons, right? So run, first is run, second was the code coverage, that you can see that there is a run Java, it will run the entire Java code on the screen, right? So Java, and you can coverage it, you can debug these things, right? Then so another last tool, but we should click on a run first Java, right? So it will ask me to save and launch, because we haven't saved our project, right? So that you can see that about the first there is a asterisk, that means you haven't saved this project, right? You have made changes something, but you haven't saved your project. So I will simply always save the resource before launching, so it will not ask me again before when we run the program, right? So it will compile these things. So now we can see that there is an output over here, right? This is my first Java program over there, right? So you can see that we have already covered, we have run our first Java program, right? Thank you so much, guys. So till the we have covered so we have created our new first Eclipse project, and what we have created the first our Java project and with Java class, right? Thank you so much, guys.